Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, dear students. In this video, I'm going to share with you the summary of the poem Peace by Dr. Sylvia Hartman. I hope you will understand this summary. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button so that I'll keep on sharing with you some useful, informative and educational videos. Thank you. Let's begin the summary. Peace is a beautiful metaphorical poem by Dr. Sylvia Hartman. The poetess has finely described one of the phenomena of nature, that is, wind. The poetess firstly describes the wind as a ferocious monster of destruction, blowing through the valleys, devastating the man-made structures and everything. It damages and whirls around the whole lot. So, wind in the form of storm crushes everything into bits and pieces. In the second stanza, she provides a comparison by unfolding the peaceful and gentle form of wind. According to the poetess, that fearsome shape of wind is not its real and main form, and actually the essence of the wind is endless calm. After the storm there is peace, and the wind gently blows when the skies are bright blue. In this gentle state, the wind is peace and tranquility for all the manifestations of nature, and only mild, insignificant, distant whispers of wind could be heard. So, in its peaceful and gentle state, the wind is not a monster of destruction. On the other hand, the gentle wind gives lives to buds, birds, and humans. So, students, that was a summary of this poem, Peace, beautifully written by Dr. Sylvia. I hope you would have understood it. If you like this video, then kindly subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon so that you would be notified for the latest videos. Thank you.